Hello, my dear children. This is Firdaus Rahman, and here I am to teach you your fifth chapter of English grammar, which is gender. So, in this video, I am going to explain this chapter. Okay, so let's start. What is the name of this chapter? Tell me. Yes, gender. Okay, all nouns have genders. All nouns have genders. क्या कह रहा है कि जितने भी नाउन होते हैं सब कोई ना कोई जेंडर होते हैं. अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि जेंडर जो है वो कितने तरह के जेंडर होते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज अ नाउन दैट स्टैंड्स फॉर अ मेल पर्सन और एनिमल इज ऑफ मॉस्कुलिन जेंडर. व्हाट इज द डिफिनीशन? आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन. A noun that stands for a male person or animal is of masculine gender. वैसा नाउन जो कि मेल पर्सन के लिए यूज़ हो रहा हो, चाहे वो मेल पर्सन हो या एनिमल हो, तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? मस्कुलिन जेंडर कहेंगे. वैसा नाउन जो कि मेल पर्सन और एनिमल के लिए यूज़ हो रहा हो, तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? मस्कुलिन जेंडर कहेंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज a noun that stands for a female person or animal is of feminine gender. What is the definition for feminine gender? A noun that stands for a female person or animal is of feminine gender. तो क्या कह रहा है? वैसा नाउन जो कि फीमेल पर्सन और एनिमल के लिए यूज़ होगा उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? फेमिनाइन जेंडर कहेंगे. सो लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मस्कुलिन जेंडर. So the example of masculine gender is man, father, son, dog, etc. Man is also male, father is also male, son is also male, dog is also male. So these are masculine gender. Now let's see example of feminine gender. So the first one is woman, mother, daughter, bitch, etc. So woman is female, mother is female, daughter is female, and bitch is also female. So these are feminine gender. Now let's see another one, which is a noun that is used for a male as well as a female person is of common gender. Now what is the third one? The third one is common gender. And what is the definition? A noun that is used for a male as well as a female person is of common gender. वैसा नाउन जो कि मेल और फीमेल दोनों के लिए यूज़ हो, है ना, मेल और फीमेल दोनों पर्सन के लिए यूज़ हो, तो उसे हम कौन सा जेंडर कहेंगे? कॉमन जेंडर कहेंगे. सो लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. So the first one is student, teacher, parent, etc. A student may be male, may be female. So it is both. So it is common gender. Now teacher. Teacher may be female, may be common. So it is also a common gender. Parent. So parent is also, mom is your parent, father is your parent. So they both are, one is masculine and another one is feminine. So parent is also a common gender. Okay, now let's see the another one, which is neuter gender. So the definition of neuter gender is a noun that is the name of a lifeless object is said to be of neuter gender. What is the example? What is the definition of neuter gender? A noun that is the name of a lifeless object is said to be of neuter gender. वैसा नाउन जिसमें लाइफ नहीं हो, या फिर आप ये भी कह सकते हैं नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ठीक है, तो वैसे नाउन को हम क्या कहेंगे? न्यूटर जेंडर कहेंगे, जिसमें कोई भी लाइफ नहीं होता है. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल चेयर, पेन, ताजमहल. सो चेयर इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग, इट हैज़ नो लाइफ. Similar, pain has no life, Taj Mahal has no life, it is lifeless, they are non-living thing. So these are neuter gender. Got it everyone? Now let's see more example which will more clarify about gender. So the first example is the lamp is on table. What is the first example? The lamp is on table. So in this example, lamp and table both are lifeless. So these are neuter gender. Now let's see second example, which is the baby is sleeping in the cradle. So baby, here gender is not clear. Baby may be a boy, may be a girl. So it is common gender. Now the third one is Prachi is an intelligent girl. So Prachi and girl is noun here, and it is clear that she is a girl, so it is a feminine gender. Okay. Now the fourth one. The fourth one is Vijay is playing football with the boy. So in this example, Vijay and boy is noun, and it is clear that Vijay is a boy, so it is a masculine gender. Okay. So in sentence 1, the words lamp and table are the names of lifeless objects, hence they are of neuter gender. तो क्या कह रहा है कि फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में लैम्प और टेबल है जो कि लाइफलेस ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसीलिए क्या हो गए आपके न्यूटर जेंडर हो गए. इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस द वर्ड बेबी denotes both male and female, hence it is of common gender. तो सेकेंड सेंटेंस में क्या कर रहा है कि जो बेबी है वो दोनों को डिनोट कर रहा है, वो मेल भी हो सकता है, वो फीमेल भी हो सकती है, इसीलिए बेबी क्या हो गया आपका कॉमन जेंडर हो गया. नाउ इन सेंटेंस थर्ड द वर्ड्स प्राची एंड गर्ल आर द नेम्स ऑफ फीमेल्स, हेंस दे आर ऑफ फेमिनाइन जेंडर. इसीलिए ये क्या हो गए फेमिनाइन जेंडर हो गए, क्योंकि प्राची और गर्ल क्या किस चीज़ को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, फीमेल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. सो इसीलिए ये क्या हो गए फेमिनाइन जेंडर हो गए. नाउ इन लास्ट सेंटेंस फोर्थ द वर्ड्स विजय एंड बॉय आर द नेम्स ऑफ मेल्स, हेंस दे आर ऑफ मस्कुलिन जेंडर. उसी तरह से सेंटेंस 4 में क्या है, बॉय और विजय जो है मेल को डिनोट कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए क्या हो गए आपके मस्कुलिन जेंडर हो गए. ओके. नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर वन विच इज़ वेज ऑफ फॉर्मिंग द फेमिनाइन जेंडर. अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि मस्कुलिन से फेमिनिन में कैसे चेंज करेंगे. ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी वेज आर देयर टू चेंज इट. सो देयर are 3 ways of making feminine nouns from masculine nouns. They are as follows. तो कितने सारे तरीके हैं, there are 3 ways. तो 3 ways यानी कि 3 तरीके हैं जिससे आप मस्कुलिन से फेमिनाइन में चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वन. The first one is some nouns have entirely different words in feminine gender such as. तो फर्स्ट वन में क्या कह रहा है कि कुछ ऐसे नाउन्स हैं जो कि फेमिनाइन में जब वो चेंज हो जाते हैं होते हैं तो वो बिल्कुल चेंज रहते हैं, उनका मस्कुलिन जो वर्ड है उससे कोई रिलेशन नहीं रहता है, बिल्कुल वो चेंज रहते हैं. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल द फर्स्ट वन इज़ बुल. बुल इज़ मस्कुलिन एंड द फेमिनाइन ऑफ बुल इज़ काउ. ओके. Now the second one is cock and feminine of cock is hen. King, feminine of king is queen. Son, feminine of son is daughter. Uncle, feminine of uncle is aunt. Nephew, feminine of nephew is niece. Sir, feminine of sir is madam. Bachelor, feminine of bachelor is spinster. Okay. Now father. So feminine of father is mother. Brother, feminine of brother is sister. Horse, feminine of horse is mare. Boy, feminine of boy is girl. Monk, feminine of monk is nun. Husband, feminine of husband is wife. Bridegroom, feminine of bridegroom is bride. Man, feminine of man is woman. So got it everyone? Okay. Now let's see the second way. What is the second way? So the second way is in some masculine nouns we add ess to form a feminine noun. तो इसमें क्या कह रहे हैं कि कुछ ऐसे masculine nouns हैं जिनमें हम ess यानी कि उसके लास्ट में हम ess ऐड करके उसको feminine बनाते हैं. So let's see. The first one is land, and what you have to do, you have to add ess at last. So LIONESS, what it will become, it will become lioness. So the feminine of lion is lioness. Now the second one is prince. So the feminine of prince is princess. What you are doing here, you are also adding here ess as you have already added in lion. Now the spared. So the feminine of spared is sparedess, actor, actress, negro, negress, priest. So the feminine of priest is priestess. Giant, feminine of giant is giantess. Tiger, feminine of tiger is tigress. Poet, feminine of poet is poetess. Waiter, waiter, feminine of waiter is waitress. Hunter, feminine of hunter is huntress. Emperor, so the feminine of emperor is empress. Manager, manageress. Host, hostess. So by adding ess, at last we are making it feminine from masculine. So this is your second way. Now we will see the third way. The third way is some feminine nouns are formed by changing the words which comes before as after, such as. What is the third one? The third one is the feminine nouns are formed by changing the word. क्या कह रहा है कि जो तीसरा तरीका जो है जिसे हम फेमिनाइन में चेंज करेंगे, उसमें क्या कह रहा है कि हम लोग कुछ वर्ड्स को चेंज कर देते हैं, ठीक है, विच कम्स बिफोर और आफ्टर सच एज, जो कि या तो पहले लगता है या फिर वो वर्ड बाद में लगता है, ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी. The first one is peacock, and peacock is masculine. So the feminine of peacock is peahen. What is the feminine of peacock? It's peahen. So we are adding hen. We are removing cock from peacock and we are adding hen after p. So peacock become peahen. The masculine is peacock and the feminine is peahen. Okay. Now let's see the another one. The another one is grandfather, and the feminine of grandfather is grandmother. What you are doing here? You are removing father from the grandfather and you are adding mother after grand. So masculine is grandfather and feminine is grandmother. Now the third one is grandson. So the feminine of grandson is granddaughter. Okay. Now billy goat. So the feminine of billy goat is nanny goat. What you are doing here? You are adding billy. You are removing billy and you are adding nanny. Okay. Now the fourth one, the fifth one. The fifth one is father-in-law. So the feminine of father-in-law is mother-in-law. What is the feminine of father? Yes, the feminine of father is mother. So here also what you will do? You will remove father and you will add mother before in-law. So father-in-law is masculine and mother-in-law is feminine. Now landlord. So what you have to do here? You have to remove lord from it. And what you will do? You will add lady at last. So the landlord will become landlady. So landlord is masculine and landlady is feminine. Now the next one is milkman. Now what you are doing here? You are removing man and what you are adding? Woman. So you already knew that man is masculine and the feminine of man is woman. So it is simple that what you have to do? You have to remove man and what you have to do? You have to add milk. You have to add woman. So the milkman will become milk woman. So milkman is masculine and milk woman is feminine. Okay. Now the next one is manservant, and the feminine of manservant is maidservant. Cock sparrow. The feminine of cock sparrow is hen sparrow. Washerman. Feminine of washerman is washerwoman. Again I am repeating here. Peacock, peahen, grandfather, grandmother, grandson, granddaughter, billy goat, nanny goat, father-in-law, mother-in-law, landlord, landlady, milkman, milkwoman, manservant, maidservant, cock, sparrow, hen sparrow, washerman, washerwoman. Okay. Now let's see the another one. Which is, there is a common word for certain animals and special words for their masculine and feminine genders. तो अब क्या कह रहा है कि कुछ कॉमन वर्ड्स हैं जो कि एनिमल्स के लिए यूज़ होते हैं. तो उस कॉमन वर्ड का मॉस्कुलिन क्या होगा और उसका फेमिनाइन क्या होगा? सो द फर्स्ट कॉमन वर्ड इज कैटल. सो कैटल इज कॉमन वर्ड. ये हम मेल एनिमल के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं, फीमेल एनिमल के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं. सो द मॉस्कुलिन ऑफ कैटल इज बुल एंड फेमिनाइन ऑफ कैटल इज काउ. नाउ डॉग डॉग हम यूज़ करते हैं. और तो फिर डॉग का अगर मॉस्कुलिन हो देखेंगे तो डॉग का मॉस्कुलिन क्या होगा? डॉग होगा. और फेमिनाइन क्या होगा? बिच होगा. नाउ शिप. सो मॉस्कुलिन ऑफ शिप इज रैम and feminine of sheep is ewe. Now horse. So masculine of horse is stallion and feminine of horse is mare. Now goose. Masculine of goose is gander and feminine of goose is goose. Okay. Now bee. So masculine of bee is drone and feminine of bee is queen. What is feminine of bee? It is queen. Now duck. So masculine of duck is drake and feminine of duck is duck. Now fowl. So masculine of fowl is cock and feminine is hen. Swan. So masculine of swan is cob and feminine of swan is pen. Pig. Masculine of pig is boar and feminine of pig is soap. Got it, everyone? So this is your chapter gender, which is completed now. And now what is your homework? So your homework is you have to remember how to make masculine into feminine. What is your homework? Your homework is you have to learn how to make from masculine to feminine. Okay, got it, everyone? Okay.